Welcome to the online class. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine. Dear students, today we will start a new chapter, which is chapter 9. The name is Technology in Our Life. And to discuss this chapter, here is Muhammad Abu Naim, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal Version School. Dear students, I have divided my lecture on this chapter into two parts. First part, we will discuss only the books, and in the second part, we will discuss the question part. So, today we will discuss the book. Dear students, all of you open your books and go to page 62. Dear students, you have to listen to me carefully. You have to follow my pronunciation and my discussion. Okay, now I'm starting. Chapter 9, Technology in Our Life. Now we are studying by using technologies such as books, pen, table, electric bulb, clock. Dear students, at this moment you're watching this video using your phone or computer. These two devices are also the technology. Scientific knowledge is used to invent these technologies. What are the differences between science and technology? What relationships are there between them? We will know, but let's read the book first. Science and technology. Difference between science and technology. Science is a knowledge or study about the natural world. It is based on the facts learned through observation and experimentation to describe and explain natural phenomena. Here, phenomena means occurrence or incident. When scientists investigate and answer questions about the world around us, they follow the scientific method. We will discuss about scientific method later. Now we will know about technology. Technology is the practical application of science to solve the problems in our life. Technology uses to design products, tools, and processes that improve the quality of human life. For example, scientists have studied about electricity and build up our understanding of electricity. This scientific knowledge is applied to create technologies such as refrigerator, TV, mobile, and light. Technology is used in many fields such as education, medical care, communication, and transportation. In short, we can say that science is the study of something and technology is the use of science in our everyday life. Now let's discuss about scientific method. Scientists follow 6 steps to experiment something or to invent something. Here are the steps. Scientific method. There are 6 steps. The first one, observation. Second one, question, hypothesis, experiment, conclusion, and sharing. Let's discuss about that briefly from the book. First one is observation. By observing the world around you, you can notice the things happen or the phenomena, or you may have a particular topic of interest. Question. When we saw, heard, or read something, we may have questions about that. Choose a question that can be answered by making observations or experiment. Hypothesis. By using previous knowledge, make a guess that answer your question, write it down. This is your hypothesis. Experiment. Design a test to justify if the hypothesis is true or not. List the materials you will need. Write the steps you will follow. Collect data and record the results of experiment. Conclusion. Analyze the data you collected and summarize your results. Think about your results that either support your hypothesis or not. Sharing. Report your results and share it to others. Dear students, the first step is observation. When we see something, we need to observe. When we observe something, we need to think that, and we need to ask ourselves about a question on that topic. Then we need to think about that. That means we need to imagine of the answers of those questions. That is called hypothesis. But we must prove our imagination or hypothesis by doing experiment. From experiment, we must get some data which will prove that the hypothesis was true or wrong. After reach to the conclusion, we must share our findings from the experiment. This is how scientists invent something. Now go to page 64. Relationship between science and technology. Science and technology have different purpose, but they are closely related to each other and both playing a vital role in our life. In the past, science and technology did not have a deep relationship. Scientists have studied the natural world to explain natural phenomena without a purpose of solving practical problems. They have discovered scientific knowledge such as electricity and light. On the other hand, people have invented technologies to solve practical problems for improving their life. They have invented simple technologies such as stone tools, fire, clothing, metal tools, and wheels. The 18th century was a period of great industrial revolution, particularly in the field of agriculture, manufacturing, and transportation. People invented steam engine by applying scientific knowledge of steam power. The steam engine was used for factories, trains, or ships. Technologies applies science knowledge to create products and tools. Scientists also use technology when they study the natural world. For example, a telescope makes it possible for scientists to see objects far into space. Scientists use a microscope when they investigate the objects that cannot be seen with naked eyes. Today, science and technology depends on each other. Technology in agriculture. People have developed different types of agricultural technology to meet the demand of food. Mechanical technology. People invented agricultural tools such as shovel, spade, plow. Today, people use agricultural machinery such as tractor, irrigation pump, and threshing machine. It helps to produce a lot of food in the shortest period of time. Chemical technology. In many crops, farmers use chemical fertilizers and pesticides to increase the production. The fertilizer helps plants grow well and produce more food. Chemicals are used to resist harmful pests and weeds in order to grow more food. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is a technology that uses living things to make new product for human welfare. For example, agricultural biotechnology is a way to make plants with special qualities. This technology allows farmers to grow plants that are more nutritious, more resistant to pests, and more productive. Negative effects of technology. Technologies make human life safe, comfortable, and better by solving various problems. However, technology also can cause some problems. Environmental pollution. Burning coal in power plant provides power to generate electricity for us, but the burning coal also can cause air pollution. It can have negative effects on the environment such as global warming and acid rain. Chemical fertilizer and pesticide help to produce more food, but chemical fertilizer and pesticide can cause soil and water pollution that is very harmful to living things. Weapons. Horrible applications of science knowledge are the improvement of weapon technology like bombs, tanks, or guns. Other negative effect. Sometimes using technology turn to an addiction. If we do not use TV and computer for productive work, it will waste our time. It hurdles in our regular sports, physical exercise, and limits free thinking ability. Watching TV or using computer more than 1 hour at a stretch is harmful for our health. That's all from the book. In the next lecture, we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. See you again in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.